Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yandan with the evening news. The headlines. Union Cabinet approves continuation of PM Pushan scheme for 5 years with financial outlay of 85 crore rupees. COVID-19 active cases in the state dips to 365. 650 deaths reported till date. 4-day Kohima Street Carnival kicks off with Nagaland Piano Festival. And government extends ban on international flights till October 31. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news. Union Cabinet has approved continuation of PM Pushan scheme for 5 years with a financial outlay of 54,000 crore rupees from the central government and 31,000 crore rupees from state governments and union territory administrations. The scheme will provide midday meal to more than 11.2 lakh students of government and government-aided schools across the country. Cabinet has also approved continuation of the National Export Insurance Account NEIA scheme and infusion of 1,650 crore rupees grant in aid over 5 years. This move is to enable NEIA support project exports worth up to 33,000 crore rupees. With 24 fresh positive cases reported today in the state, the total caseload now stands at 31,219. 13 positive cases were reported from Dimapur, 4 in Peren, Mokokchung 3, Kohima 2, and 1 each in Kifre and Pek. 54 persons were reported to have recovered during the day, taking the total number of recoveries to 29,199, out of which 16 were from Tuensang, 15 in Kohima, Dimapur 14, Pek 7, and 2 in Longling. While 1 more person from Dimapur succumbed to the virus, 650 COVID-19 deaths have been reported till date. Nagaland currently has 365 COVID active cases. A 4-day Kohima Street Carnival got underway today with Advisor Urban Development and Municipal Affairs, Dr. Nikisale Kire, launching the celebration at Old NST site in Kohima. The event is being organized as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by Kohima Smart City in collaboration with Kohima Municipal Council and other government departments, local musicians, fitness institutes, and citizen-based organizations. Speaking at the event, Advisor Dr. Kire expressed happiness that even a place like Kohima can produce talented people who are world-class players themselves. He said one should be a participant in the changes instead of waiting for the changes to come. Joined the CEO of Kohima Smart City Development Limited, Avalu Ruho, said this event will be a beginning of something exciting for Kohima City and pave way for positive change in the way one look at the town planning. She expressed hope that the walking plaza at the old NST site will result in creation and carving out of healthy, safe and happy public spaces not only in the middle of the town but all across the nook and corner of the wards. The Day 1 celebration kicked off with Nagaland Piano Festival, wherein artists displayed their talents. Upcoming events include Zumba, busking, street health clinic for senior citizens, flower exhibition and sale, cyclothon, blood donation camp, besides street food festival, painting competition, walkathon, and street carnival for children. The celebration will culminate on 2nd of October. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA yesterday extended the suspension of scheduled international commercial passenger flights till 31st of October. A circular issued by DGCA stated that a restriction shall not apply to international all cargo operations and flights specifically approved by it. The aviation regulator stated that international scheduled flights may be allowed on selected routes by the competent authority on a case-to-case basis. The centre banned international flights on 23rd March last year to contain the COVID spread. Later, flight restrictions were eased under air bubble arrangements with certain countries. India has also been operating Vande Bharat flights to many countries. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate CIPPET, Institute of Petrochemicals Technology, Jaipur, via video conferencing tomorrow. He will also lay the foundation stone of 4 new medical colleges in Banswara, Sirohi, Hanumankar and Dausa districts of Rajasthan. These medical colleges have been sanctioned under the centrally sponsored scheme for the establishment of new medical colleges attached with the district or referral hospitals. Kohima Municipal Council KMC organized an awareness workshop on waste segregation for ward sanitation committee members under the slogan Kachra Alag Karo Amrit Divas today as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav program. Panel lawyer of Kohima District Legal Services Authority, Ketovi Zotso, spoke on duties and responsibilities of local authorities and village panchayat of census towns and urban agglomerations under Solid Waste Management Rules 2016, and panel lawyer Asenla Walling spoke on criteria and actions to be taken for solid waste management in the hilly areas under Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. KMC Office Secretary Zakir Koto Kiso also spoke on waste segregation. An orientation program on People's Plan Campaign 2021-22 for Gram Panchayat Development Plan 2022-23 under the theme Sabki Yojana, Sabka Vikas was held in Mon district today for line departments. Deputy Commissioner Mon Tavasalan K in his address stated that the campaign should empower the people and asked all line departments to take the plan seriously. Project Director, District Rural Development Agency, Mon M. Demjen Longcha, highlighted the 3 main areas of focus, which included identifying and providing livelihood, providing all entitlements, and providing public goods and services. A presentation on Gram Panchayat Development Plan for 2022-23 was presented by BDO RT Block, Dopu W. Mopa Konyak. A joint meeting with Niti Aayog consultant Mathu Banti Datta was held in the aspirational district Kifure yesterday. Datta said that the main objective of her visit was to take stock of all socio-economic development programs being undertaken in the district. While stating that the pandemic situation has delayed completion of the projects, she assured to take the matter with the higher authorities of Niti Aayog. Datta asked departments in the district to express needs and concerns to her directly. Deputy Commissioner Gifre T. Wadiaya presented brief details on projects that have been completed and ongoing projects taken up in Gifre Town and Seirochung and Bungro subdivision. The State Council of Educational Research and Training Nagaland has invited applications for the National Talent Search Scholarship 2021 for Class 10 students studying in a recognized school and has passed Class 9 with 50% marks for ST/SC and 55% marks for General Category. The application forms can be downloaded from SCERT Nagaland website scert.nagaland.gov.in and submitted on or before 6th of November. And now to end the news, here are the main points again. Union Cabinet approves continuation of PM Bushan scheme for 5 years with financial outlay of 85 crore rupees. COVID-19 active cases in the state dips to 365. 650 deaths reported till date. 4-day Kohima Street Carnival kicks off with Nagaland Piano Festival. And government extends ban on international flights till October 31st. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.